The number of workers N needed to clean a stadium after a game varies inversely as the amount of time T allowed for the cleanup. If it takes 25 workers to clean the stadium when there are 6 hours allowed for the job, how many workers are needed if the stadium must be cleaned in 5 hours? To solve this problem, we first need to remember what inverse variation means. It means that we have a relationship of the form N equals K over T. Now we know something about this. We know that 25 workers can clean the stadium in 6 hours. So we can use that to find K. We substitute 25 for N and 6 for T. That's for T hours. Multiplying both sides by 6, we would get 150 equals K. Now that tells us that we have an equation of variation, N equals 150 over T. Now we're asked to find how many workers it would take when we have 5 hours allotted, so we put 5 hours in for T. N equals 150 divided by 5, which is 30. So we would say that you need to have 30 workers for the job.